how to check Instagram without logging in. So if you want to use your Instagram account, or if you want to use simply Instagram, and if you don't want to log in, or if you don't want to install the application, then there is a way. First, open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser, and after opening, simply go for the search bar, tap on that, and then search for www.instagram.com, and then type slash and enter the username of the account whom you would like to search, and search for that. And after searching, here you will have the account, right? So now you can simply scroll down and open up the post, and then you can have all of the information of that account. You can simply view all of that post. So you can simply tap on not now, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then you can use the Instagram. So that's it. That's how you use Instagram without installing the application or without logging in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.